Hi, I'm Jan from VelomobileWorld.com and we shoot here a maintenance video, so have fun. In this video I want to show you how to disassemble your front suspension. This you can do because your front wheel you need to tune or to bring away to shop to check. This can you do because you want to do some maintenance on your front suspension, or you're just curious. So I will show you the steps now how to disassemble it, and then there will be some other videos about how to maintain your front suspension and how to check your front wheel. We start here at the top. Here we have two Contra, every time I want to say piulițe, because that's the Romanian word, Contra nuts, it's called nuts. So that one you untied, unfortunately with a key 13. It would be nice if I had two key 13s, but yeah, I'm at my home workshop, so I took what I'd have. So these ones I untied. Yeah, make sure you don't drop the nuts in your bike, because sometimes it's hard to find back. But we found out already by doing so. And it's not good because often it will end up underneath your chain and it will block things what it should not do. So make sure you don't drop these kinds of things in your bike. If you have a bicycle calculator for the speed, just take off the calculator, which goes not always easy. Make sure this cable is free. You push it in. Otherwise you have no space to work on it. And then put it on the side. So I have a pretty luxury position that I have here in lift, but most people will do it on a table. So make sure when you turn around the bike that you don't scratch the paint, or yeah, make sure you take care of your Velomobile. And now I will show you how to take these off. So I have here, I don't know how to call this tool, but it is a very practical tool. And I can take off these like this, and make sure you, when you put back, you take the right, like first a small washer, a big washer, and then this nut. Make sure again, don't lose things. So as you can see, we did not cut anything out of the time, and it's relatively easy. So I dropped still a washer. So it's good to hold your hands below it so it doesn't drop in the bike. Now, this is a bit, this one you need to push a bit. Then that one. And as you can see, it's not that spacious because we want to make it small as possible to have as little as possible airflow. So it's easier to just let some air out of your tire. Man. Okay, so I forgot here still inside is an tie rib. I forgot to cut that one out, so I will do it still. Okay, so you can take it now out. As you can see, you need to cut off these two tie ribs, otherwise you will destroy the sensor of the bike calculator. Turn it around, take off the little cap, so now we have the wheel off. Put it aside. And then to take off the brakes. So I cut this one and take it off. So now I can. I hope you enjoyed the videos about the maintenance. If you have still some ideas, please let them in the comments. But before you put comments, have a look to the other videos. Maybe we uploaded your question already. Don't forget to subscribe and have fun. See you next time.